Hi there, welcome to Angelo Home Tours, your guide to discovering the incredible Sienna Ridge community by Lennar, now available for sale. Welcome to Sienna Ridge, a vibrant community nestled in the heart of Las Vegas, Nevada. Developed by Lennar, Sienna Ridge offers an array of new single-family homes designed to suit your lifestyle. With prices ranging from $486,990 to $550,990, Sienna Ridge provides a wide range of options to fit your budget and preferences. Conveniently located at 8370 Caldera Hills Avenue, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89147, Sienna Ridge boasts a prime location near Desert Breeze Park, where you can enjoy the great outdoors, as well as a variety of shopping and dining opportunities. Plus, with easy access to I-215, commuting around the area is a breeze. Sienna Ridge offers a range of amenities to enrich your living experience, such as families with children will appreciate the excellent schools in the Clark County School District, ensuring a quality education for your little ones. And for your healthcare needs, both Southern Hills Hospital and Spring Valley Hospital are nearby, providing peace of mind for you and your family. When it comes to utilities, Sienna Ridge has you covered. Electric services are provided by NV Energy, while Southwest Gas ensures your home is warm and cozy. And for all your communication needs, Cox Communication offers reliable telephone and internet services. Lennar, a trusted builder, brings their expertise and commitment to quality to Sienna Ridge. With 6 home plans ready to build, you're sure to find the perfect home for your family. Let's take a closer look at some of the available options. The Bellevue NextGen is a spacious 2-story home, featuring Lennar's signature NextGen suite. This innovative space is ideal for multi-generational living, with its separate entryway, living space, kitchenette, bedroom, bathroom, and laundry. The main home boasts an open floor plan with a great room, kitchen, and dining area on the first level, while 3 bedrooms surround a versatile loft on the second floor. The Bellevue NextGen starts at $550,990. If you're looking for a stylish and functional home, the Kingsbury is a perfect choice. This 2-story home offers an open concept layout, seamlessly connecting the dining room, kitchen, and living room. Step outside to the covered patio and enjoy outdoor living at its finest. Upstairs, you'll find 3 bedrooms, including the area owner's suite with a private full-sized bathroom. The Kingsbury starts at $492,990. For those seeking single-level living, the R1 floor plan is a dream come true. This spacious home welcomes you with an open living area, featuring a kitchen, dining room, and living room. The owner's suite is privately situated in a corner, while 2 flexible bedrooms are conveniently located off the kitchen. The R1 starts at $486,990. The Mitchell NextGen offers the perfect solution for multi-generational households. This single-story home includes Lennar's NextGen suite, complete with a separate entrance, living room, kitchenette, bedroom, and bathroom. The main home features an open living and dining space, along with 2 additional bedrooms for privacy and comfort. The Mitchell NextGen starts at $494,990. If you're looking for a contemporary design, the Glenbrook is sure to impress. This 2-story home offers an open concept living area, seamlessly connecting the dining room, kitchen, and living room. Slide open the glass doors and step onto the covered patio, bringing the outdoors in. Upstairs, you'll find a loft surrounded by 3 bedrooms, including the owner's suite with a private full-sized bathroom. The Glenbrook starts at $489,990. Finally, we have the Skyland, a spacious 2-story home designed for modern living. The kitchen, dining room, and living room flow together in a convenient open floor plan. Sliding glass doors lead to the covered patio, creating a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor living. With 4 bedrooms, including a luxurious owner's suite with an ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet, there's plenty of space for everyone. The Skyland starts at $513,990.
Hey guys, we're here at Lennar at Sienna Ridge in the heart of Spring Valley, which is about 15-minute to 20-minute drive to the fabulous Las Vegas Strip. And these are the future motorhomes, and there are next-gen suite here, or what they call casita. So if you like this kind of homes in the $500,000, comment down below or check my number on the screen.
These are the current available homes for sale. Planned Skyline Home Site 0100 with an earliest move-in date of October 18th, 2023, priced at $521,990. Plan Bellevue Next Gen Home Site 0102 with an earliest move-in date of November 2nd, 2023, priced at $550,990. Plan Kingsbury Home Site 0103 with an earliest move-in date of November 6th, 2023, priced at $497,990. And here are the upcoming homes that will be available as part of the coming soon and future release in Sienna Ridge. For more information, contact Angelo at 725-287-5242 and let us help you make Sienna Ridge your new home.